This video I'll be discussing spousal sponsorship, specifically for individuals who are actually engaged, waiting to get married. And so I do get a lot of calls in this regard and asking me, what should I do? And the question is, well, you can't do anything because you're not married yet and you cannot sponsor your spouse unless you're married. So in order to sponsor your spouse, you either need to be married, reside together for 12 months or more, and then submit a common law, or in various unique situations, potentially a conjugal application. But one of the things I encourage my clients is to still get the application started. Now, yes, I cannot submit the file until I have the marriage certificate. I need that if we're filing that, or wait until you have the 12 months under common law. But one thing I find is at the time that they retain, it takes them time to collect those documents. So to avoid that timeline, we could start the application today, get the document checklist, let me review what documents you have, what documents you should work on to make the application stronger, so that by the time you're married or by the time you have your 12 months, we are ready to go. So as easy as it might sound that, okay, I need XYZ documents and as soon as I get married, I'll do it. Most clients, believe it or not, when it comes to a spousal or a sponsorship application, will take 2 to 3 months to collect those documents. Why? Because police clearances take time. Why? Because they didn't know that they need several joint documents, etc. So starting the application early, even though knowing I cannot submit it, might save you time in the long run. So if you're looking at getting married and you want to know what the process is, or if you're looking at potentially being eligible under common law, give us a call today. Thank you, and until next time.